am teacher Allison, and today we are talking about props, part 3 in our series. I wanted to cover props that are 3D, things you can find around the house, and things you never would have thought of. Just a few creative ideas to keep you going. Okay, let's talk about stuffed animals. Are an excellent prop if you have children. You can just grab a few of the smaller ones because they show up so well on camera. I'm sure you can find them at garage sales, tag sales, consignment stores for very inexpensive. I only have a few. I only have a shark, a dog. I have my puppet, which I've shown you before. And really, that's all I need because the bulk of the items I use are magnetic. Again, from the craft store. These little wooden 50-cent, 77-cent items that I can stick right in there. I put my own magnet on there and I'll show you how to do that in another video. Real easy and the best ways to do it. But you can pick up absolutely any animal you can think of. They have everything. The chicken is always going to be used in our farm lessons with the pig. There's also the jungle and the zoo lessons where you are going to want to get a tiger and an elephant. And they're amazing. They're so helpful because in most cases you're going to be teaching trunk, tail, and these really do give the students something to look at other than what's just on their lesson slide. All right, the next thing, I'm not sure if you've thought of, but these little erasers that all the kids have. Let me show you. Okay, I've picked up a food one. Do you see that? It's a hot dog, cheeseburger, French fries, pizza, and a sandwich. I use these all the time. You can actually use these for rewards as well. If you work at a company where you have to do 5 reward system, these are perfect. The kids love them. They all love them. And I believe these were from Five Below, if you have a Five Below store, in a package of 5, which was perfect, for $1. So take a look next time you go out, or your kids might already have a ton of these because I know sometimes they come home from school. The next item that you never would have thought of that I actually use all the time are dog toys. Somehow we have gotten a set of 3 for our dog. Pineapple, watermelon, and a lemon. Perfect. I've taken those from the poor dog. I use these in my fruit lessons and colors. And also for rewards. When we talk about what do things taste like? What colors? What color would yellow taste like in ice cream? Maybe lemon? Excellent. Easy. I love it. All right. Something you might never have thought of. But for... obviously, you can get knives and forks, just things around the house. Grab them, keep a few extra. Noodles in our Chinese lessons, they come up a lot. So what I did was I chopped up some yarn and I pretend that I'm eating the noodles. And sometimes the kids catch on and they can tell and they go, oh my gosh, that's not real. But they're fun and it keeps everyone awake. The kids love it. They love to see the fake noodles. Let's think of one more. Framed pictures of your family or pets. These are awesome in introductions. They're awesome when you're talking about animals. Then you can ask them, what animals do you have? Do you have a dog? What color is your dog? How old is your dog? Big, small, a million uses. You can also, oh, there's one more you might want to grab in the winter. I always have gloves on hand and a hat. All free. Found them around the house. Useful props. I hope they help. Just to give you a little boost if there's something you haven't thought of. The noodles one is always a hit if you want to give it a try. Cut up some yarn, put it in a bowl you already have, and scoop away. All right, everyone. Thanks for visiting today. I hope you enjoyed a few more tips and tricks about props. Take care.